the soul versus the self. Our program provides a series of music-based interventions aimed at increasing children and young people's confidence and emotional stability. We intend to assist participants in reconstructing their minds by establishing fundamentals required for effective relationships that support physical, psychological, and the social well-being of children and young people from disadvantaged backgrounds. We hope to provide an effective platform for children and young people to use music to manage their mental health by teaching participants coping mechanisms and how to respond appropriately in stressful situations. Through a series of workshops, we plan to redirect and restore positive messages to the core through a series of music-based techniques. Together with the help of each participant, we will establish a transparent platform that empowers children and young people to analyze, visualize, and manifest their dreams and aspirations. Let's take a look at the following music-based practices. Number 1, chords. This practice focuses on chords and sound frequencies that correspond with moods, thoughts, and feelings, led by instrumentation to treat the mind of each participant based on their responses to chord frequencies. There are a range of games and engagement strategies attached to this practice. Number 2, the drum. The drum accentuates the use of synchronized drum reactions to express frequencies that lie dormant in the body. We execute a series of rhyming sequences using bongo and congo drums to generate signals to reactivate or interact with the body frequencies, triggering both positive and neutral feelings. Number 3, let the beat build. Now, let the beat build is about engaging with groups of young people to address barriers that prevent them from learning, incorporating music production and digital recording with a view to capturing vocal inspiration. The goal of the workshop is to build character and trust through practical tasks such as melodic tones, improvisation, music theory, role-playing, and singing. Number 4, mind mapping. The mind mapping activity integrates illustrative and art techniques to create artistic pieces that demonstrate how to achieve positive solutions to negative consistencies. We want to empower participants with new and innovative formulas to construct artistic pieces that will raise awareness in the community. Each participant will learn how to deliver significant illustrations that symbolize key representations of their environment,